Hey, what is up everyone? Brian from Brian Built. Today we're diving into a game-changing tool for your renovation projects. This is the Walabot DIY 2. This is a high-tech wall scanner and it helps you see inside your walls, helps you avoid mistakes like puncturing a water line or making a million holes to find a stud. We got another pipe right here. Got a stud right here. Now I'm going to switch it to expert mode. So here we got red, means there's something directly in front of it. It looks like it's picking up a stud, and then it goes to potential objects. So right here, there's one object on this side, white space in the middle, and then a red on the other side. It means that there could be two things together, either a wire or a stud and a pipe. Alright, everything that came, you have the charging cord and a quick start guide, the main Walabot scanner, and here is the magnets that you can use to attach your phone. There's anything else like wiring or plumbing, so you can't really see those with a regular stud finder. So this is where the Walabot 2 DIY 2 excels. You can see other things that are behind the walls.